Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Steam Big Picture mode on controllers. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's configuration window where you can adjust various aspects of how the platform behaves. Now, in the left panel of the Settings window, click on Controller. This section is specifically dedicated to managing how Steam interacts with your gaming controllers, and it's where you'll find all the options needed to disable Big Picture mode triggers. Next, click on Show Advanced Settings. This will reveal additional controller configuration options that aren't visible by default. These advanced settings give you more granular control over how your controller functions within Steam. Once the advanced settings are visible, look for an option called Guide Button Focuses Steam. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. This is a crucial step because it prevents your controller's guide button from automatically launching Steam's interface, which is often the main trigger for Big Picture mode. If you're using Xbox controllers, look for Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. Right beside it, toggle this off. Disabling this option stops Steam from processing Xbox controller inputs through its own system, which can prevent Big Picture mode from activating. If you're using a PlayStation controller, look for PlayStation controller support. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Not Enabled. This ensures that Steam doesn't apply its own input layer to your PlayStation controller, which would otherwise trigger Big Picture mode. If you're using Switch Pro controllers, find the Switch Pro controller support option and toggle it off. This prevents Steam from interfacing with your Switch controller in a way that would activate Big Picture mode. For those using generic controllers, right beside the generic gamepad support option, toggle it on. This ensures your controller is recognized but without the Steam-specific features that launch Big Picture mode. Now in the left panel, click on Interface. This section controls Steam's visual interface settings and startup behavior. Look for an option that says Start Steam in Big Picture mode. Right beside it, toggle this off. This is another important step because it prevents Steam from automatically launching in Big Picture mode when it starts up. At this point, you need to restart Steam for all these changes to take effect. Close Steam completely, making sure it's not running in the background. Then reopen Steam and the application will launch with your new controller settings applied. Lastly, reconnect your controller to your computer. This allows Steam to recognize your controller with the new configuration you've just set up. Once reconnected, your controller should function normally without triggering Big Picture mode, giving you a more traditional desktop Steam experience while gaming. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled Steam Big Picture mode on your controllers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.